Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can turn off this AI overview panel in Google search. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step by step process to disable AI overview. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, what we will do, click on this three dot icon which is available on right hand top. Then you click on these settings. Now friend, you are on my settings page. Now you can click on this search engine. And friend, here you will see that this is the search engine settings page. You simply click on this arrow button and here you will get to set search engine. Okay. So here you find out site search, then click on add button. And here we are going to type Google search. Now we are going to add keyboard shortcut like at web, and now we are going to paste the code, and this code will help you to change AI overview. Okay, then simply click on this add button, and now we are going to check these things it is working or not. Okay, so here we are going to again type what is AI. And friend, you can see that this is not enabled now. Okay, so what we will do, we are going to close this browser and again we are going to open browser, and here we are going to check it again. Okay, what is AI? Still you can see that this AI overview is showing. Why this is showing? Because we not add make as a default. Okay, so we are going to open again that things setting, then we are going to click on this search engine, click on arrow, and friend, here you will see that these things actually we have changed. Okay, you simply click on this three dot icon and click on make default, and now we are going to again check it out how it will work. What is AI? So friend, you can see that AI overview is gone and only the website list is showing. So friend, by this way you can easily turn off AI overview on top. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day, so you will learn something new. And friend, please comment me below what things you like into this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of advanced tutorial in our channel. So friend, stay tuned with us. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.